Hello everyone, it is Waltz bringing you another one of the 100 ways to motivate yourself. Here we are with part 48, almost halfway there, and this principle is another rather interesting one. This one is about creativity once again, which we've come up with, we've come back to this kind of subject, like Steve Chandler has talked about this, I don't know, 3 or 4 times so far, but this one is the idea that all humans create easily. That when it comes to just basically, we just make ourselves up, and that's the name of the principle, make yourself up. And what he means by this one is that you should just simply create a goal or an action plan, just like come up with it, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be good, just like pull it out of thin air, create it, okay, and work with it. He also says that an important part of this one, we have a wonderful quote from Emile Coué, who was the guy who originally came up with he was a French physician back in the early 1900s and had the whole every day in every way I am getting better and better kind of test there that really helped so many people get over their their hypochondriac kind of conditions there. Anyway, back to the main topic here. The important thing from this one is that we naturally create easily. So what he says here is that basically, we can think about it like being a kid. A lot of kids are very creative, they can just come up with things very easily, and they're confident enough to just come up with it and work with it. And he's saying when we're adults, we can also just do that. Just make them up, make up all these kind of goals or action plans and just work with them. Okay, once you start working on them, you're going to see if they're working or if not. And a lot of times, once you get going, you're going to find what's working, what's clicking, and you'll find yourself taking off. But really, it just starts with having that kind of confidence and that kind of belief, and a lot of it can come from creativity. And the quote, I believe, is that if you believe something is going to be easy, if you say it's going to be easy, then it will be. Because when you tell your subconscious mind it's going to be easy, it's going to give you a lot of good resources and ideas, especially when you have a positive mental attitude. But either way there, it's going to give you these ideas that really allow you to work with that and use that kind of material to make things easy. Versus if you say it's going to be hard, it's going to make it hard for you. Your subconscious mind is really going to condition, it's not going to directly condition your environment, but it's going to condition how you perceive the environment. So it's going to pick out all the things that are going to help make it easy for you and try to get you to go for those things. Or if you tell yourself this is going to be really hard, it's going to try to pick out all the things to make it really hard, make you avoid it, procrastinate, have all the fearful negative emotions come in to make it really difficult to actually achieve it. Anyway, that's about it for this part. I'll see you guys next time with part 49, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.